friends. Welcome to True Light channel. This is the first video of the channel about the fastest bird in the planet.
The peregrine falcon is a bird of prey found on all continents except Antarctica. They are known for their speed, with some individuals capable of diving at over 200 miles per hour to catch their prey. Peregrine falcons are versatile hunters and feed on a variety of prey including other birds and reptiles. They are also successful at adapting to urban environments and can often be found nesting on tall buildings and bridges. Despite populations declining due to the use of pesticides, peregrine falcons have made a strong comeback in recent years through conservation efforts.